Torrential rains have been pounding West and Central Africa for weeks, causing major flooding across the region. Benin has been particularly hard hit. 2/3 of the country has been touched in one way or another. Even areas not usually prone to flooding have been devastated, affecting nearly 700,000 people. Schools never reopened in the fall, and many businesses had to close their doors. Major health concerns have arisen, including contaminated water and cholera deaths. Ajigwidi lives here in Vossa, part of the capital of Cotonou. He explains that he has never seen the water so high. In response to a UN emergency call, UNHCR flew in 3,000 tents. They will provide shelter for 15,000 people.
L'appel du président de la République sur le plan international a été entendu et le UNHCR a effectivement répondu présent.
Officials say that the first to receive the tents will be those most at risk and without a home. Asumanu Rabi had to move quickly when the waters rose. She ended up here on the side of the road. Getting around is a challenge, as is transporting safe drinking water and other goods. Many of the people here still face weeks of living on sidewalks and by roadsides. Worse still, lost homes, savings, and jobs mean that rebuilding will not be easy.